What's going on, guys? It's Al. And today, guys, I got single packs going. These are packs that I've had for a while. Some from when the set first came out. I got a couple Sword and Shield sets that I'm gonna do single packs, day by day. But I only got one of these, and we're just gonna jump right into it and hope for the best. So we got a Venusaur and Celebi case. And the pack art goes to Pikachu and Zekrom. They say usually when the pack art matches the cardboard, you get a good card. So we'll find out if there's any truth to that. So come on. There we go. Let's see what we get, guys. Water Energy, Hitmonchan, Grass Memory, Persian, Vulpix, Ponyard, Alolan Geodude, Mankey, Pantene. Reverse is a Weedle, and our rare goes to a non-holographic Lapras. I just ain't having no luck at all, guys. None at all. Okay. I guess we'll do one more pack, guys. Let's see what we can get. So we got the Lapras and Snorlax. Now the next video, guys, is just gonna be a single pack. And there we go. No luck in that one either. So we'll just go through it. We got Rhyhorn, Rookity, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray. Reverse is a Blipbug, and our rare is a Drapion non-holographic with a Grass Energy Switch, Butler, and Galarian Stunfisk. So no luck there, guys. Oh, anyway, guys, be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you know when I post, and as always, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.